Hello, I'm Mark Tern from thesolution2.com. Today we talk about acknowledging self-doubt. What to do when you struggle with self-doubt. How to combat self-doubt. When I think about self-doubt, I always find myself looking at the negative side of things and wondering whether my ability or talent is good enough or whether I will be able to do this. I think about the things that I don't enjoy doing and what others will think about me. The world is full of people who don't believe in themselves. They don't believe they are capable of anything. They think their ability or talent is nothing special and that they have no chance of being successful. They don't believe they will get where they want to be in life. To stop doubting yourself, the first thing to do is to acknowledge your self-doubt. If you are asking yourself how to heal self-doubt, this is the first step. If you find yourself in that situation, then stop it immediately. If you find this quite hard, I have a simple exercise for you. I call it the dump and let go exercise. It can take quite long, but I find it really therapeutic and it will help you to tackle self-doubt. Take a sheet of paper. Write down all your doubts, every negative thought you are having. Do it until you are exhausted and don't know what else write. Then drop this paper on the wastebasket. Remember, what you resists, persists. You won't be able to get forward if you don't acknowledge your self-doubt. This will allow you to put it in perspective, get along and create some space for different thoughts. So, to fight self-doubt, think about what you are good at and what you enjoy. What do you enjoy? What do you like? What do you feel passionate about? You may be surprised. You are already better than a lot of people out there. There is no reason why you can't succeed. This is the first step to overcome doubting yourself. Start believing in yourself.